Hello, welcome to my channel. Today, we are start the psychology lecture. The first topic is Introduction to Psychology. Historical background of psychology. The influence of philosophy and physiology, and the first one is Plato and Aristotle. And the second one is René Descartes. And the third is Hippocrates. And the last one is Galen. Next is comprehensive definition of psychology. And there is psychology definition and some questions above there. And here is a questions: is psychology a science? Now there are some steps of scientific method psychology. Step 1: observe and theorize. Step 2: formulate a hypothesis, and Step 3: design a study. Step 4 is collect data, and Step 5 is apply result to the hypothesis. Psychology then and now.
That's it for today. We hope you found our video interesting. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with others. Also, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new uploads. In the end, thanks for watching, and see you next time.